All right, Unit 7, Lesson 8, we're looking specifically at question number 3. A family pool holds 10,000 gallons of water. How many cubic meters is this? So if I'm taking 10,000 gallons, and so let's start with that. Gallons. I want to first use my conversion to convert from gallons to liters. And so I know 1 liter is 0.264 gallons. And then I know 1,000 cubic centimeters equals 1 liter. And then I'm going to convert cubic centimeters to cubic meters. And so that's actually 1 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 million cubic centimeters equals a cubic meter. And you can finish that up by multiplying across the top, multiplying across the bottom, and dividing.